Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today I get the following error notification when I try to make a voice call on WhatsApp and it says you cannot place a WhatsApp call if you are already on another call. So without wasting any time, let's get started to fix this issue. The first thing that we have to do, update WhatsApp. To update WhatsApp, connect to Wi-Fi and tap and hold App Store and a menu will appear and we have to tap on updates. Now we have to check the list is there is any update available for WhatsApp. If there is, then tap update to update WhatsApp. After update WhatsApp, if you're still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solutions. Number 2, go to settings, then tap general and tap iPhone storage. Now check the list and tap on WhatsApp. After tap on WhatsApp, tap on offload app and tap again offload app. After that, force close setting app and also force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. After the force restart, connect to Wi-Fi and launch App Store and search for WhatsApp. And re-download WhatsApp. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.